Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from all over the world, somehow stumbled across this channel. Welcome aboard. I go by the name of Mrjaycam. Thank you for tuning in with me this evening. My vehicle of choice, nothing but the smooth sounds of the cross-plane 998cc Yamaha R1 in a 2018 edition. It's a lovely motorcycle, lovely machine. And this is my first MotoVlog. We're just gonna take a nice little cruise, watch it. On some North Texas back roads on a pretty clear afternoon. This part's a little bumpy. Always got cars in front. Hopefully as we go, they'll fall off with some nice little gentle corners, enough to get the blood flowing and have a good time. Hello, Mr. Officer. They might be getting on to me. I've never seen cops over here in this part of town before. Gonna have to switch the route up. So this vlog here is just kind of like an introduction. Like I said, I'm Mrjaycam. Find me on Instagram under the same name. I'll link that down below. 2018 R1 in blue. I've been riding for some years now, off and on. Started doing track days back when I was in the military in 2012. Became addicted to it. 2006 R6 was the weapon of choice at that time. I tracked it out, went track only, and I stopped riding for about 2 years or so. Picked up a 2009 R1 just back in February of this year. It got stolen in April, which led to me getting into 2018 after the insurance and all of that stuff. I just want you guys to see this bike and enjoy this bike. Be doing some how-tos as far as installs. Like, I got a question today about the race or GP shift. I was wondering if you had to like reprogram the electronics or anything, or if you could just go. Like, nope, you just go. But there is a hole that you need to tap. It's not pre-drilled. You move the shift lever back, then pretty much make it vertical. I think Sport Bike Track Gear has a good video on it from Van. But as far as all my gear, right now I'm in Dainese textile jacket, Alpinestars gloves, and street riding shoes with some Kevlar jeans with the built-in pads here in the knee. I'm not sure if I got that in the shot. We're gonna really jog. And what I call a jog on the sports bike is we're gonna take it easy and not push, and just kind of see. Oh, let's get through that light. Just kind of see where the grip level is. My favorite two corners are coming up. This one would be nice too, but I never know till I'm into it what the light's going to do. And as you see, it has changed, so at least I'll be first in line and don't have to pass anybody here. A little bit about me. Like I said, I'm ex-military, 8 years, honorable discharge in the United States Army. I did Iraq and Afghanistan. I am a father, 2 beautiful kids, girl and a boy. I'm 6'4". You'll see the hashtag, hashtag I get busy, but instead of a G with a 6. It's a reference to my nickname that people call me 6 or 6'4", and green light. Helmet of choice for me is the AGV Corsa R with the Simoncelli livery, paint scheme, theme, whatever you want to call that. Rest in peace, Marco. This is the first one of these corners I just really like to get in here and ride, so we'll come over. A little trail break-in. couldn't crank it up right there because of this stupid car. Still on these stock Bridgestone RS10s that it comes with. Full disclosure, I'm normally a Michelin guy, but I got this like brand new with 0 miles. So we're gonna ride these out and see how they are. Just don't know if it's psychological or what. You guys can comment if you see this video. I just don't know if I trust the Bridgestones, to be all the way honest. I find I have to ride them really, really hard, like beyond what is comfortable sometimes on the street. I can't even get the bike laid over all the way to the edge. And I'm a track guy who has no problem dragging me on my R6. I haven't taken this beast out to the track yet. Hopefully looking to get the Coda for that Thanksgiving weekend. That'd be a nice end to the year there. It's not going to be stupid hot. Austin's a good city. I'll be there in the next few weeks for Formula One. I gotta explore a little bit more. There's a group that meets up and does some roads. They threw some numbers at me that I haven't really heard before. I need to check those out. But yeah, really, really love the bike. It's got enough power. I got a Grave slip-on exhaust on it. We'll be deleting the cat soon. I think I'm gonna go with the damn Moto because it's supposed to work with aftermarket slip-ons and things of that nature. Saw some friends up here. They thought I was stranded and they stopped. I don't know if they're talking about taking the same route that I was, but if they are, we'll see signal lights coming right now.